In this video, I'll show you how to receive broadcasts and spaces notifications on X so you never miss important live audio or streaming updates again. This is a quick and simple settings change, and once you turn it on, X can send you push notifications whenever broadcasts or spaces are happening. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Let's get straight into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This opens up the extra menu options where X keeps account and settings controls. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy, and notification settings. Next, click Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive from X and how they are delivered to you. After that, click Preferences. Here you'll find the different notification categories you can customize to match what you actually want to see. Now click Push Notifications. This is the area that controls alerts sent directly to your device, so you can receive updates even when you're not actively using X. Once you're in Push Notifications, look for the From X section. Under that section, find Broadcasts and Spaces and toggle it on. This tells X that you want to receive notification alerts for broadcasts and spaces activity. As soon as that switch is enabled, your account is set up to receive those notifications. That's it. The setting is now active, and you should start getting broadcasts and spaces notifications from X. If this video was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can keep learning quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.